Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can achieve this 4K quality video edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to simply copy and paste the video, then go to the adjustments tab, and you're going to go to curves, and you're going to do the exact same thing I'm doing right now. So the left dot, put it on the top, right dot, put it at the bottom, and you're just going to do it to the same. You're going to do the same thing for all of your colors. Sorry, that's what I meant. Go to effects and go to lens and add in the blur video effect on top. And then select the video. Go back to basic and then go to blend mode and select linear burn. It's going to look weird, okay? But then you're just going to go to library, going to add in a white stock video on top. And you're going to freeze frame it, and you're going to extend that until the end. Go to blend mode, and then you're going to select overlay. If it still looks weird, just go back to linear burn and adjust between color burn and linear, and make sure you adjust the opacity of it as well as the overlay. I think I might go with the linear burn one. Then you're going to select your video, go to adjustments, and you're going to adjust the brightness, the contrast, and the highlights, and just edit it according to your video. Also going to go to sharpen and sharpen it by a lot. And I'm also going to go here to do the exact same thing and sharpen it. And I'm going to adjust the contrast and etc. As you can see, it looks more high definition than before. You can see more of her skin textures. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.